Soft, fluffy, and gently sweet. These homemade sannas are something truly special, made with simple ingredients, but when done right, they turn out light, airy, and perfect every time. Today I'm making them in two ways, plain and with jaggery. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. First I washed 150 grams of Goan parboiled rice with plain water 3 times. Then I soaked it overnight. In the morning, I rinsed it again with plain water. In a bowl, soak 1/8 cup of flattened rice with water and keep aside. Into a mixer jar, we will add the parboiled rice, half cup of grated coconut, drain the water out from the flattened rice and transfer it into the mixer jar. Add some water. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Now we'll transfer it into a large bowl. Since there was some paste remaining in the mixer jar, I added little water to it and I transferred it into this bowl. We'll mix this well. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix this well. To proof the yeast, in a small bowl add half teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, add some lukewarm water and mix well. Remember, do not use hot water as the yeast will get killed. Cover and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Look, the yeast is activated well. Transfer this into the large bowl. Mix it gently. This is the consistency of the batter. I will cover and let it rest for 75 minutes since the temperature is warm here. If you want to make sannas with jaggery, then in a bowl add 1/8 cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of chopped palm jaggery. Mix it well. Pour water in a steamer and let the water boil. Now we will mix the batter gently. Grease the molds with oil. Pour the batter into it. Fill it 3/4. For the jaggery sannas, pour some batter in the mold. Sprinkle the jaggery mixture. Pour some more batter. Again sprinkle the jaggery mixture. Now I'll place the molds in the steamer. After 20 minutes, I checked the sannas. I inserted a skewer, but the skewer did not come out clean, so I steamed the sannas for some more time. So total, I steamed the sannas for 35 minutes. Once cooled, unmold the sannas. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Noila Creations for more delicious recipes. Also, do hype this video. Just look at the texture, soft, fluffy and perfectly airy. Whether you enjoy them plain or with that slight jaggery sweetness, both are so comforting in their own way. That softness, that fluffiness, this is exactly how perfect sanna should be. Soft, warm and comforting. A simple recipe, but so special in its own way. Sannas are not just something we eat, they are something we grow up with. From Sunday lunches to special occasions, they always feel like home. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.